Thutha wa mihango ya kuhariria mathiko mauri urari mumbunge wa Kibra Ken Okoth kwana tayari ihiga muthenya wa ira thutha wa kurugamio ni igoti kumana na ngucanio cia kimucii, riu mihango eno niicokereirie na wathi mweru. Kuringana na wuiguano uria wikiraniirwo ni mutumia wa mutigairi Mihango Okoth na MCA wa guthukira Thumbi na wakindirwo ni igoti, uthuthuria wa DNA ni guikwo hari mwiri wa mutigairi gukurana kana ni ithe wa mwana wa Thumbi na oho mwana ucio ni gukuruhanio mihango-ini ya mathiko.
The minor known as Jaden Barak Okoth be at liberty to participate in the final rites of the Honorable Kenneth Okoth, deceased. 3 parties be at liberty to apply for further orders.
Thumbi araguthukite igoti-ini muthenya wa ira kurugamia mathiko macio, akienda muriu atamburwo undu uria uramenereirio ni atongoria matiganite aria marekinyitie mithe-ini ya kiririkano kia mutigairi.
We have today a white smoke. We have filed a consent. This was premised on 2 issues, that this is purely a family matter. And we were guided by Article 159 to ensure that family matters are resolved through alternative dispute resolution.
Really, there wasn't any dispute to warrant the sort of noise that was generated yesterday at the memorial.
I would like to share with you a small passage from the scriptures, that even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me.
Hau kabere nyumba ya mutigairi irari na njatukano gatagati ka mutumia wake na nyina mumuciari Angelina Jwang iguru ria kana mutigairi ni gucinwo kana ni guthikwo guku nayo nyumba ya kuria ithe wa Okoth umite ikiuga Okoth agirirwo ni guthikwo hakuhi na kaburi ga ithe mumuciari ona thengia wa gukorwo ni matiganite na nyina Okoth ari mwana.
My wish is that I would like to bury him at my home.
We are not only ready to welcome Ken, we are ready to welcome the whole family, because the husband who had a quarrel with the mother of Ken is no longer there.
We would not wish our cousin Ken Okoth to be incriminated. It is against the law tradition.
Riu igongona riria riratanyitwo gatafanio muthenya wa rucio kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay nirigathie na mbere na thutha ucio mwiri wa mutigairi ucinwo ta uria arendaga kuringana na mutumia wake. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.